Hi guys! So today we're doing another to buy or not to buy video. You guys know the drill. This is just like mini reviews of random products and services that I've used. Let's get started. Number one, we have an interesting product. Now I've been seeing this in the suggested side of my everything on the internet for a while. I saw this on Amazon. This is actually to clean your sunglasses and glasses. Yeah, it's quite a strange thing and I didn't even know something like this existed until I saw it on the internet. But it's again one of those things you don't need but you want and you buy, and yeah, I bought it. I got two for 220 rupees. So yeah, like $100 each, and basically you're just supposed to slide it in this way and then clean your glasses. Now why I got this is because, you know, I'm one of those people who very often is not in a t-shirt or shirt, and I like to tuck my stuff in and then I don't know how to clean my glasses, and I'm always taking other people's clothes to clean my glasses. So I thought I should get this so then I don't have to bother with anyone, and it's pretty easy to use. And it seems to get the job done. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Me likey to buy. Okay, next up we have something I bought off Instagram. So Daily Objects is a site and an app, I believe, and they have those ads running on Instagram, and this kept popping up on my feed. So they claim to be the first ones to have like glass covers for phones in India, and I ordered this from there. Now what you're seeing on the screen right now is the actual order. It's supposed to be like a neon green, like the lime green is supposed to be like vibrant and neon-y, and this is what came. The other thing was when I tried to return it, the site kept giving me this error and it just wouldn't return, and then I had to ask for a replacement, which still has to come, and this has to be returned. But yeah, this is a 1,000 rupee cover, 9.99 for this, and it was very, very disappointing. So I'm gonna say not to buy. Okay, next up we're going to talk about my teeth whitening. Now you guys have asked me to do this ages ago. The last time I went for my whitening, it was in one of my vlogs, and you guys said do a review, and I haven't done it since until now. So this is me doing that, but this is no way sponsored. I just want to tell you guys that this is what I usually do once a year. So this is Zoom whitening, which is the kind of teeth whitening I've been doing for the last 2 years. What's different about this is it takes about an hour, and it happens in cycles. So I did like the old school whitening as well earlier, which was just the basic, you know, whitening, which didn't really last more than 2-3 months. This lasts 6 to 8 months. Like right now it's been over a year and my teeth still look this white. So yeah, I have my appointment tomorrow, which is what you will see now. So the process is pretty simple. First they clean your teeth like a regular cleaning and polishing. Then they bleach it with this Zoom machine, which is really cool. It takes about an hour. It costs 7,500 rupees per cycle, and usually most people with like Indian teeth need about 2 cycles is what my dentist had told me, and that's usually what I do, 2 cycles as well. But it lasts a whole year, guys. Like my teeth stay white for really long. The only drawback with any kind of whitening is the sensitivity. Like for a few days your teeth will feel sensitive and you will feel like a tingling or like feeling. I feel like it's less with Zoom whitening compared to the other old like peroxide whitening. Of course this is also peroxide, but it just feels less harsh to me. I don't know if that's me personally, but it's something that, you know, really changes the way you see your teeth and how you smile and laugh. So you need to whiten them if you want that like white feel, and I really feel like it's changed the way I see my teeth, and I really like it. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone struggling with yellow teeth or wanting a super white smile. Definitely to buy. And next we have a lipstick, actually a lip marker. And I don't usually do beauty products in my to buy or not to buy videos, but this one is a little different and it's interesting, which is why I thought I would feature it here. So this was one of my random impulse buys of Nykaa. It's the KIKO MILANO long lasting lip marker. It is actually a marker, like it just looks like the markers we write with. And I ordered this because I thought it was really cool looking. Like honestly. And it is 800 rupees, which is pretty pricey for a lip marker. Now, I love the concept, and I would say if you're someone who wants to try new products and you're someone who buys a lot of products, definitely to buy. The other thing I liked is that it is cheaper than Benetint by Benefit and has the same kind of effect. Like if you look at my lips, I'm wearing it right now and it has that same tint kind of a feel. So it's not like a lipstick, it's like a lip tint. And it's much cheaper than Benetint. Like Benetint is about 2,500 I think for a bottle, but that will last you a really long time. This, I'm not sure how long it's going to last because it's not as pigmented. Like if you see when I'm applying it, you have to keep applying it, keep applying it, keep applying it for it to look like robust and like there. So I'm a little on the fence about this. If you want to experiment, you want to try something new, you want to have something exciting in your makeup kit, to buy. If you're someone who's on a budget and you buy like really select products, not buy. Okay, next up we have something that I didn't ever think would make this list, and I'm slightly ashamed that it's on this list, but it's there. So a little backstory: when I had TB, I mean I still do, but when I was like infectious and I was in a room by myself for 2 weeks, I got obsessed with playing Candy Crush. Now I've been playing Candy Crush for years, but at that point when you can't really do anything but like Netflix and play Candy Crush, it's like you do it alternately together and you're just like, okay. And I became addicted. And then one day, I still remember, you know, I did all the hacks. I did like the, like changing the time on the phone so you get extra lives, all of that. And then I got penalized for that also. And then I was just like, no. And then, you know, the bit where they make you buy the gold bars, the Candy Crush shop, which is what I'm saying you should not buy ever. Because it sucks you in. So I got addicted literally. Then I thought, oh, it's just 250, it's okay, I have no expenses, I'm not going anywhere, I should just buy some bars and I should keep playing. And trust me, you do not want to go down that road because it's been what, 4 months and I am still buying gold bars. Is anyone else doing this? Please comment below if you are. But like now I have to actually restrict myself and be like, no, I have to stop, I have to stop. So I'm limited to like a week or 10 days and I'm trying my best to not buy gold bars. I'm like, it's just a game, it doesn't matter. But they suck you in with the levels and like all of that, and you're just so like wired to buy more, and it's just such a pointless expense because it's for nothing. So if you're a Candy Crush addict like me, definitely not to buy. We need to stop this, guys. So that's it for this to buy or not to buy video. Comment below with other products or services I should review in the next one. Check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.